Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see in chapter 1 metric measures exercise 1.6 class 4 standard board metric. Solve these word sums. So we are going to see word problems. A milk booth has 252 liter 75 ml of cow milk and 277 liter 270 milliliter of buffalo milk. Find the total quantity of milk available at the booth. So total means what we have to do, children? Total means we are going to add. So what they have given in a milk booth as 252 liter 75 milliliter of cow milk and then buffalo milk. So write solution. So first you write quantity of cow milk. So quantity of cow milk, how much they have given? So you write liter then milliliter. So 252 liter then 75 milliliter. Next quantity of buffalo milk. Buffalo milk. So tell me the quantity of buffalo milk. So quantity of buffalo milk equal to 277 liter 270 milliliter. So near you liter you write 277, then near milliliter you write 270. So we are going to add because they are asking total quantity of milk. So total quantity of milk. So total quantity of milk. So how will you find out total quantity of milk? We are going to add and then find out. So 5 plus 0. What is 5 plus 0, children? 5. Next 7 plus 7. See here they have given only 2 digits, so you can write 0 here. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So 4, then 1 carry over. Next 1 plus 0 is 1. Next 1 plus 2 is 3. Next 2 plus 7 9. Next 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2, 1 carry over. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So how many liters, how many milliliters? Total quantity of milk 529 liter, then 345 milliliter. So we'll write the answer. The total quantity of milk is how many liters? 529 liters, then 345 milliliters. So the total quantity of milk is 529 liters 345 milliliter. Second one, Anita bought 105 meter 36 centimeter of rope. She used 53 meter 40 centimeter from it. Find the remaining length of the rope. So what we have to do? How much length she bought, then how much length she used. So they are asking remaining. Remaining means what we have to do? We are going to subtract it, then find out the remaining length of the rope. Solution. So length of the rope she bought. So how much length of the rope she bought? So you write meter and then centimeter. Meter, then centimeter. So how much length she bought? 105 meter, then 36 centimeter. Next one, length of the rope she used. Length of the rope she used. So how much length of the rope she used? 53 meter, 40 centimeter. 53 meter, 40 centimeter. So what we are going to do? So we are going to subtract and then find out the remaining length of the rope. So what is 6 minus 0? 6 minus 0 is 6. Next 3 minus 4 is 3 is less than 4. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from the before number. So 5 becomes 4, 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Next 4 minus 3 is 1. Next 0 minus 5 we can't subtract. So we have to borrow from 1. So 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, then 0. So what is the remaining length of the rope? 51 meter, 96 centimeter. So length of the remaining rope. Length of the remaining rope equal to 51 meter, 96 centimeter. So answer, the remaining length of the rope is, the remaining length of the rope is 51 meter, 96 centimeter. So what is the remaining length of the rope? 51 meter and 96 centimeter. Next one, a train covers 75 kilometer, 265 meter in the first hour and 78 kilometer, 486 meter in the second hour. Find the total distance covered by the train in these 2 hours. So listen children. So in the first hour, train covers 75 kilometer, 265 meter in the first hour. And then in the second hour, 78 kilometer, 486 meter in the second hour. Find the total distance. So total means what we are going to do? We are going to add. We are going to add. So write solution. Write solution. Distance covered in the first hour. Distance covered in the first hour equal to, so tell me the distance covered in the first hour, right, kilometer and then meter. 75 kilometer, 265 meter. 75 kilometer, 265 meter. Next, distance covered in the second hour. Distance covered in the second hour equal to how many kilometers? 78 kilometers, 486 meter. So we are going to add. So write the plus symbol. So first we will add meter, then kilometer. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1, next 1 carry over. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Next 7 plus 8 is 15. So 5, 1 carry over. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Next 5 plus 8, 13. So 3, 1 carry over. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So how many kilometers in the 2 hours? So total distance equal to 153 kilometer, 751 meter. So we'll write the answer. Total distance covered by the train. See the total distance. The total distance covered in 2 hours. So total distance covered in 2 hours is how many kilometers, children? So the total distance covered in 2 hours is 153 kilometer. How many meters? 751 meter. So 153 kilometer, 751 meter. Next one, Reena weighs 5 kilogram 425 gram more than Manju. If Reena weighs 30 kilogram 284 gram, what is Manju's weight? So we are going to find out Manju's weight. So Reena's weight they have given, and then Reena's weight is 5 kilogram 425 gram more than Manju. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract from Reena's weight, then we will find out the Manju's weight. So solution, write weight of Reena. So what is the weight of Reena? Weight of Reena equal to, write kilogram, then gram, how many kilograms? 30 kilograms, then 284 gram. Next one, weight of Reena more than Manju. So weight of Reena more than Manju. So how much weight is more than Manju? Equal to 5 kilogram 425 gram. So we are going to subtract. So if you subtract, you will get the weight of Manju. Weight of Manju. So subtracted 4 minus 5. So we can't subtract from 4. So we have to borrow from 8. So 8 becomes 7. 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. Next 7 minus 2 is 5. Then 2 minus 4. Again we can't subtract. So we have to borrow. So here it's 0. So from 3 we will borrow. So it becomes 2. Then 0 becomes 10. Again if you are borrowing, it becomes 9. So it becomes 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Next 9 minus 5 is 4. Next 2. So what is Manju's weight? What is Manju's weight? 24 kilogram 859 gram. So answer, Manju's weight is 24 kilogram 859 gram. So exercise 1.6 we have completed. We have completed the in term 3 metric measures also, first chapter we have completed, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.